If you're a holistic, spiritual, or metaphysical practitioner and you feel lost, overwhelmed, or invisible, you aren't alone. Hi, I'm AJ. My wife Elena and I created Soulscribe AI from our own journey of learning and struggle. Elena came to me with this dream. She wanted to start her own holistic practice. Now, I had decades of experience in business development, sales, and marketing, but her world was new, and with my engineering background, it just all seemed quite strange to me. I saw how much she cared and how deeply she was called to serve. I saw the profound impact she had on people's lives. What was happening in these sessions was amazing. I said yes. We started learning together, side by side. We made mistakes, we celebrated small wins, and we worked toward figuring out what really works and what doesn't. She kept meeting other amazing spiritual practitioners, hypnotists, coaches, guides, friends who had the same dream she had. They loved their work and had incredible gifts, but almost every one of them was just stuck. They felt buried by all the extra things it takes to make a practice work. The website, videos, recording and editing, social media, contracts, marketing, not to mention the seemingly endless obstacles in dealing with technology. The stress grew a little each day for them until most just gave up. It was heartbreaking to meet such talented people, such wonderful people, become almost invisible to the world. And they had so much to offer. But it wasn't because they lacked skill. You see, we slowly began coming to grips with the fact that the way our brain works had a lot to do with it. I hope you don't find this offensive, but this is what we eventually came to understand. Why some failed and others didn't. The brain is primarily divided into two halves, the right and the left. The right brain helps us feel deeply, tune into energy, connect emotionally, sense things profoundly, and create. It's the center of art, intuition, healing, and connection. People in the arts, and especially in holistic and metaphysical work, tend to spend more time in this creative, feeling space. But the world of building a business, navigating technology, setting up systems, and planning, that's all left brain territory. The left brain is logical, structured, and great at steps and spreadsheets, but it isn't as tuned into energy, emotion, and creativity. That's why so many truly gifted practitioners struggle. They are very strong in the right brain. The business and tech side just doesn't come naturally, and the work gets overwhelming fast. Meanwhile, left brain people often get ahead because they know how to do business, even if their gifts aren't so strong. It's a bit of a catch-22. Elena and I realized that this gap was leaving the very best sitting on the sidelines, unseen and unheard. The people who could help the most weren't getting the clients, weren't being found, and usually just gave up on their dreams. So that's why we shifted focus, put things on pause, and built Soulscribe AI. Much of what our platform and program was the result of Elena's vision and what she came to understand through working with other practitioners and even through profound channeled insights. I simply used my left brain to transform that into physical reality. We wanted to give practitioners a hand to walk alongside them and make the hard parts easier. Our goal is to help you be seen and valued, to find your purpose, to grow your practice, and to really help others while still taking care of yourself. You don't need to have that high-tech mindset to build something beautiful. With the right support, tools, and community, your gifts and your story can reach the people who need you. Our journey has shown us that almost nothing matters more than serving others. And we're here to walk this path with you every step of the way, so in turn, you can serve others. If you're a holistic, spiritual, or metaphysical practitioner and you feel lost, overwhelmed, or invisible, you aren't alone. Head on over to soulscribeai.com and check out some of our free resources. We have our personalized digital growth assessment and roadmap, the income calculator, our free 9-part video series, Holistic Client Attraction 101, and you can even sign up for free on our bronze plan. Get yourself on the directory, claim your free landing page, and upload as much written content as you want to the Holistic Healing magazine. Beyond that, we're growing a supportive environment because we want the types of practitioners who believe in being client-centered, solutions-focused, and supportive of each other. The power of community and support is real, and together we can bring to light these types of practices to a larger population of our world. So if you truly have something special to offer, together we're going to bring it to light. Right now, there's an opportunity to become a founding member of Soulscribe AI. Check it out and see if it's right for you.